Hi, hello everyone. Magandang araw po muli sa inyo lahat. So, today I'll be sharing to you about the lesson which is the pronouns. No? But before discussing the said lesson, I would like to take a review again from the past lesson that we had. It's about the origin of the English language. Kung saan ito ay galing saan nang galing yung English? Sa England, no? But we are using the American English in the Philippines, not the England English, no? Okay, so pakitandaan po yan, ha? And there are many parts, no, ang English. Maraming parts yan. Meron tayong mainly talks about the grammar. Tapos meron din tayo tinatawag it's language itself, yung tawag. And then meron din yung part na tinatawag na literature, no? So it's actually the product of the language. Yun yung tinatawag natin literature. Okay, so tandaan po yan, ha? And we discussed also last time about the kinds of nouns, wherein noun is the name of person, places, things, and animals. This time we will be discussing about kinds of pronouns. But before doing so, let me tell you what is pronoun. Pronoun, the definition of the pronoun is it takes the place of a noun. So ibig sabihin, kapalit po ito ng noun. Kaya nga takes the place. Kaya nga naging pronoun. Ibig sabihin, take the place. So instead of saying, halimbawa, paano ba example? Halimbawa, Maria washes her clothes today. Instead of sabihin Maria, I can say she washes her clothes today. So yun, pwede yun. So that is the function of a pronouns. And there are many kinds of pronouns. Let me tell you one by one. First, we have this, yung tinatawag nating personal pronoun. So when you say personal pronoun, it refers to the individual or groups, no? The example is, by the way nga pala, ang personal pronoun, mayroon yung tinatawag na, yung tinatawag na first person, second person, and the third person. So, pag tinawag na first person, usually ito yung mga I, we, ganyan, di ba? Kasi we are the one speaking, no? In the sentence. We are the subject of the sentence. That is why it is called first, no? First person. Second person is, of course, the you. Yung third person, siyempre, yung ikatlong tao. They, ganyan. So, yun yung mga examples ng personal pronoun. We also have the possessive pronoun. So when you say possessive pronoun, it shows ownership, no? Halimbawa, paano example natin diyan? Halimbawa, mine, no? Mine, yours, his, her, ayan, each, and theirs. So those are the examples of possessive pronouns. Okay? Get it? Now, let's proceed. We also have this reflexive pronoun. So, when you say reflexive pronoun, it refers to what? To back to the subject. Example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves, and many more. So, those are the examples of reflexive pronouns. Okay? Show ownership, no? Referring to back to the subject. Parang the action revolves within. Parang ganun. The meaning revolves within. Ayan, so next is the demonstrative pronoun. So when you say demonstrative pronoun, it points out, no, specific things. Example, what are the examples that we can say? The example is this, or this, that, those. Yun ang mga example ng mga demonstrative pronoun. Meaning to say it points out, nagtuturo, no? Tuturo. Ayan. Next is we have the interrogative pronoun. So when you say interrogative pronoun, it is used to what? It is used to ask questions, no? It is used to ask questions. Example, who, what, which, ano pa? Whom, and whose. So those are the interrogative pronouns, no? The WH questions. Okay? So next is we have this indefinite pronoun or indefinite pronoun. Refers to the non-specific people or things. Example, someone, anyone, nobody, and everything. So this is the example of indefinite pronoun. So the next one, which is the last, among all the kinds of pronoun, is the relative pronoun. So when you say relative pronoun, it connects what? It connects clauses. The example of this is the same. The relative pronoun is referring to the interrogative pronoun. The whose, who, where, when, what. So ginagamit kasi siya as what? Relative kasi siya. Isa niya tawag na connectors. Okay? So those are the basic example and the basic kinds of pronouns that we have in English. I will repeat: the personal pronoun, the possessive, the reflexive, the demonstrative, the interrogative, the indefinite pronouns, and relative pronoun. Nandiyan naman sa taas nakalagay. Okay, so sana may natutunan kayong muli sa araw na ito, and I hope you can share and like this video. Ito aking channel, itong video na ito, para na sa ganun mas marami tayong matulungan. And sana keep on supporting me po. Alam niyo po, ang inyong pag-like, ang inyong pag-share, inyong pag-heart dyan, and everything, yan po ay nakakatulong na kayo sa akin. Sa ating lahat tayo ay magtulungan. Pare-pareho tayo mga Pilipino. Ayan, wherever you are, whether you are here in the Philippines or you are in abroad, we love you all. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone.